Greetings of the day. Welcome to Muni TV. I'm Dhani Patel here to present insights of July month which took place in Muni Universal School, Khambat. On 1st July 2025, on the occasion of Doctor's Day, our enthusiastic pre-primary students visited a local nursing college to express gratitude and admiration for the medical fraternity. The little ones offered handmade cards and performed a sweet thank you song, spreading smiles and joys to nursing students and staffs. On the same day, students of Standard 1 took part in a unique activity focused on basic first aid awareness. They learned about the importance of timely care during minor injuries and confidently demonstrated simple first aid steps through a role play session. The activity helped to install essential life skills at the young age. To mark International Plastic Bag Free Day on 3rd July 2025, students of Standard 2 took a thoughtful initiative by visiting local shops to raise awareness about plastic pollution. With handmade paper bags in hand, they encouraged shopkeepers and citizens to switch to eco-friendly alternatives. Their thoughtful campaign and confident interaction made a strong impact on the community. As a part of One Mahotsav Week, our school organized a tree plantation drive from 30 June 2025 to 4 July 2025 to spread awareness about environmental conservation. Students along with teachers planted saplings around the campus and nearby areas, pledging to nurture them with care and responsibility. On 10 July 2025, students celebrated Guru Purnima with devotion and gratitude, honoring their teachers for their constant guidance. Cultural performances, speeches, and special messages of thanks were presented, reinforcing the deep bond between students and educators. On the same day, an exciting talent show was conducted for students of Standard 9 to 12, giving them a platform to showcase their abilities in music, dance, art, stand-up, and more. The event buzzed with creativity, confidence, and youthful enthusiasm. A vibrant mono-act competition was held on 11 July 2025 for pre-primary and primary students, where young performances portrayed various characters from mythological heroes to real-life role models. Their confident expressions and powerful dialogues left the audience thoroughly impressed. On 11 July 2025, students performed a dance-themed skit to raise awareness about the effects of growing population. The creative fusion of dance and drama highlighted challenges like resource scarcity and need for sustainable growth. On 12 July, teachers from higher secondary section attended a professional development Sahodaya workshop aimed at enhancing teaching methodologies and classroom strategies. The session provided valuable insights, interactive discussions, and innovative tools to help educators further strengthen academic delivery. From 14 July to 21 July, the Social Science Club of our school celebrated map reading with engaging activities throughout the week. Students from various classes took charge of spatial assemblies, hosting quizzes, mind games, and question answer section focused on geographical skills and knowledge. The initiative sparkled curiosity and enthusiasm for map reading week among all students. In a thoughtful financial literacy initiative on 21 July, the school distributed piggy banks to all students to encourage their habit of saving. This activity aimed to help students understand the power of wealth accumulation over time and values of financial discipline. By nurturing these habits early, the school hopes to install a lifelong appreciation for saving and responsible money management. A proud moment for the school as a class 12th commerce student, Master Dev Patel from the batch of 2024-25 secured admission in one of the top colleges of CA studies under the sports quota. His remarkable achievements in volleyball and table tennis representing the school at various levels earned him this prestigious opportunity. These accomplishments stand as an inspiration for all students to balance academic with extracurricular excellence. The school proudly conducted its investiture ceremony on 17 July, where newly elected members of the Student Council were formally handed over their roles and responsibilities. With sashes, badges, and oaths, the leaders pledged to uphold the values of the school with dedication and integrity. To assess students' academic growth, periodic test 1 was conducted from 25 July to 31 July across all grades. These assessments provide insights into the students' learning outcomes and help both teachers and students plan further for academic excellence. Before we sign out, let us all enjoy the musical treat created and presented by students of Standard 2. Until next time, stay connected and stay updated. Thank you.